What's up, y'all? Tuned in the Wrong Certified TV. And I just wanted to do a little quick vlog real quick. You know, out here in the snow. You know, just taking this fresh snow, man. Look at all that snow right there. Just taking in the snow with I just want to make a quick vlog and talk about transformation. You know, one of my main destinations is transformation. You know, being a better version of yourself. By all means necessary. You know, sticking to it. You know, always put yourself in the motivation and determination to have transformation. Transform yourself into a better version of yourself on the daily. You know, have that mentality, you gotta get it by any means. Look at this beautiful snow out here. It's real cold out here. All my Wrong Certified TV viewers. But my main goal is to be an impact, build impact. You know, that's one of my main goals, and that's really what I'm doing this YouTube shit for, man. Is to build impact. You know, it's all about the impact more than anything. You know what I'm saying? I want to be a successor of motivation, inspiration. You know, I want to be inspirational. That's what I do. That's the energy I project. So I appreciate everybody that been tuning in. I appreciate everybody that been subscribing. That really mean a lot to me, because y'all know how hard it is to get people to even listen to you. And I'm a man of substance. And, you know, I ain't never content thirsty. You know, I ain't really got to speak on all that. It's gonna show on my actions, but just to give y'all a brief, quick drop on that light. Yeah, I ain't never content thirsty. I ain't never money hungry. You know, it's all about integrity, morals, principles, values, and standards. But chill, man. Yeah, you know, we out here in the snow with it. You know, we about to get some more with it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel at Wrong Certified TV. I'm out.